is a great big balancing act, and often when it becomes fine and settled under high pressure across the British Isles, in the Mediterranean it's just the opposite. You get a large area of low pressure and the weather becomes cool and unsettled. And we can see that happening now, because not so long ago in Greece they had 50-odd millimetres of rain over a couple of inches or so. And in that eastern part of the Mediterranean in the next couple of days is going to be very unsettled indeed. Quite cold too. Look at those temperatures in Rhodes, for instance, and in Istanbul, into single figures. And there'll be showers and longer outbreaks of rain. They're not alone. I think many other eastern parts of Europe are going to be pretty unsettled in the next few days. If you want some sunshine and you're thinking of heading away for Easter, then maybe Spain is the answer. Although even there over the Easter weekend, it may well turn rather showery. Back to this country, as I said, we've got high pressure homing in on the scene. A couple of fronts across us at the moment, but they're going to get squeezed out by the high pressure and become weak and virtually inconsequential. And the high pressure is going to be with us for much of the rest of the week. Unfortunately, it does look as if it might not last until the Easter weekend, but that's a long way off. And obviously we'll have some more news on that nearer the time. But the important thing, gardeners beware, is that we are going to have some frost under these quiet conditions. Start off with frost in the north, and then that frost transfers to central and southern areas for the rest of the week. But back to today, there's quite a lot of cloud around, but most of it's thin. There's still a little bit of brightness coming through, but we do also have some outbreaks of rain. Some you notice here over northeast England, some more over southern Scotland and parts of Northern Ireland. Now, I think we can say it'll be a fairly bright afternoon in many places, a little bit of hazy sunshine breaking through, but equally here and there you could run into the odd spot of rain. I think it's probably going to stay dry in the southeastern corner, and there will be showers coming into western Scotland, and some of those are a little bit more noticeable. They'll turn fairly heavy and maybe wintry before the afternoon's out. But apart from the chilly breeze in the northwest there, temperatures should be up quite nicely at around about 12 degrees or so. Now, what's left of those fronts will slip down towards the southeast during the night. It may rejuvenate a little bit across that southeastern corner to give some outbreaks of rain, but the most important thing is the high pressure homing in. So for northern parts, a jolly cold night, a widespread frost, and even some ground frost coming down into parts of the Midlands. But the southeast, under that cloud, temperatures holding up. In fact, that cloud will still be there. Tomorrow could still be giving some further showery outbreaks of rain, but very gradually that will slip away. Much of the country then dry with a good deal of sunshine, some cloud in the northwestern corner, and temperatures like today's. And then as we head into the middle and the rest of the week, charts like this, a lot of sunshine away from